from Lusagan, Iowa. Let's welcome Fermin Barnechea. Hello, Sir Fermin. Welcome again on stage. And joining Sir Fermin on stage by our panelists, we have James Genove from the Resistance Raider. Sir James Genove. Still sound jobbing, perfect. No worries. Patricia Arrow of Open Guild. Hi, Miss Patricia. Let's give a round of applause for Miss Patricia. And we have Harry Santos from PDAX. Sir Harry. Hi, Sir Harry. Welcome on stage. And let's put your chairs here. And so they will start the panel right now. The floor is yours, guys. Enjoy.